Hello everyone, a bright beginning to all of you for this week. Let me encourage you with Proverbs chapter 16, verse 16. How much better to get wisdom than gold, and to get understanding is to be chosen than silver. Proverbs 16:16. But first, let me ask you a question. If you can have one wish, what will you ask for? Or let me restate. If God appears to you in a dream at night and says to you, ask, what shall I give you? Ano po ang sasagot niyo? What will you answer? Probably many people will say, Lord, give me 100 million pesos or dollars, palakihin pa natin. Or 100 million followers in social media. Because if you have a lot of money or if you have a lot of influence, you can do a lot of things. Hopefully, good things yung mga gagawin. But let me tell you that there is something better than money or fame. And that is wisdom. The writer of that proverb knows this very well. God appeared to King Solomon in a dream and asked him. He said to him, ask, what shall I give you? And then King Solomon said, he asked for wisdom. And God was pleased with that answer because Solomon did not ask for long life. He did not ask for riches. He did not ask for the life of his enemies or victory. But instead, he asked for a wise and understanding heart so that he can govern the people of Israel wisely. So God gave him a wise and understanding heart. He became the wisest person at that time. But because God was also pleased with his answer, God gave him riches and honor. He became the richest and most honored king. So, I believe the reason why Solomon said wisdom is better than silver or gold is that when you have wisdom, riches and honor will follow. Wisdom is the ability to discern between good and evil. It's having a good sense of judgment. It is knowing right from wrong. For example, you need to make a decision. Having wisdom means you know what a right decision looks like versus a wrong decision. What solution should I use to solve this problem? What course should I take in college? Where should I apply for work? How can I expand my business? How can I talk to this person? How can I resolve this conflict? Those are examples when we need wisdom. That means we need wisdom in order to be successful in this life. Do you agree? So if you will have one wish or anything you can ask from God, my best advice is ask for wisdom. And the good news is, there is a promise in the Word of God that if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, and it will be given him. The only requirements is that we admit that we need wisdom, and that we need to ask God in faith with no doubting. We need humility, and we need faith. That's how we can receive the wisdom from God. At alam mo, the benefit of wisdom is a very powerful combination. It is success and happiness. Nasa Proverbs 16 verse 20 din yon. Success and happiness. If you only have success, but you're not happy, kulang yun. Not satisfying. But if you are happy, but you are not successful, baka later on, you will also lose that happiness. But if you have success and happiness, that is a fulfilling life. And that's what wisdom can bring into your life. So let me encourage you this week. This week, find wisdom in the Word of God. Money is good, fame is good, but wisdom is better. Ask God with a humble heart and have the faith to receive it. Then wisdom will bring success and happiness. God bless you. Shine on for Jesus.